The 2007 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, CD changer, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.